Joshua.
And I'm Sean.
We met in a gym class a few years ago.
And we've been friends ever since. Hey, go long.
We like sports, but we really like science.
We love learning about everything, from geology to ecology.
I've never seen anything like it!
Oh, look, a soda can. This should be in a recycling bin instead of on the ground.
Our science teacher is really into recycling.
This is where the soda can belong.
Man, we go through a lot of paper.
Since the only place in school we recycle is science class, we started wondering how important recycling really is.
Our science teacher, Miss Bucklad, told us about a place in town where we might find some answers.
The Southern Environmental Center in Birmingham teaches kids about the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle.
This museum doesn't just teach kids about trash, it was built with it.
The ceiling was made with steel from 42 recycled cars, and the carpet came from recycled plastic bottles. There's more to this puzzle than just the recycling.
Can you feel the heat that's coming off of it?
One exhibit showed how much energy light bulbs use.
I don't really feel any heat coming off.
Me neither.
If you think that since this one's giving off more heat, less of its energy is turning into light.
Then we learned how much water you can save in the shower.
It says that a low-flow shower head can save as much as 30 gallons of water during one 10-minute shower.
The most shocking exhibit showed how much our trash is increasing every year.
This is some sort of bar graph comparing the decades of trash. Check out the 70s compared to today. This increase is just out of control.
2 garbage cans with a week's worth of trash showed us what recycling can do.
Man, it's heavy.
Let me try. Oh, you're right, it is heavy.
This one is much lighter.
The lighter can represents what our waste could weigh if we tried harder to reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Think about all the kids at our school. What if we could all reduce?
Just think of the paper. We only recycle in Mrs. Bucklad's class, right?
Yeah.
So how much paper from school goes straight into a garbage dump instead of a recycling center?
Hey, I just got an idea.
We went back to our school to find out just how much trash we create.
The best way to do that is to check out the dumpsters.
We put on grubby clothes, gloves, masks, and goggles so we could get down and dirty. Let's go dumpster diving.
Ew, this is disgusting.
Oh, man.
It's a good thing we have these masks out here. Oh, it just smells.
Ew.
Look at this. This has to be around 6 feet tall. Letters, paper, more paper. All this stuff, it can be recycled. And it's not even 1/3 of what's in the dumpster. What if for one day we collect all the trash from some of the classrooms?
Maybe our sample from the classrooms could show how much trash could be recycled instead of throwing it in the dumpster.
We started by collecting all of the trash from 10 classrooms.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
We took the trash to a place where we had plenty of room to sort through it. Our first step was to weigh all the trash.
Okay, it looks about 14 pounds. I'll write that down.
Now we need to sort it out. We have to put the same materials with each other. Paper with paper, metal with metal.
Look at all these soda cans. These should all be recycled.
All this is just printed on one side. You know what Miss Bucklad always says, use both sides of the paper.
I think these kids made a good choice on drinking out of this bottle because, I mean, if you drink out of a juice box, you can't recycle that juice box.
But then it was a bad choice because these should be in a recycling bin instead of a trash can.
Okay, so we've sorted the trash into 5 different categories. Paper, glass, plastic, metals, and true trash. Trash that cannot be recycled.
The next step was to weigh each of the 5 categories of trash. Glass,
4 pounds.
metal,
It weighs about 1 pound.
plastic,
3 pounds.
paper,
Okay, the paper weighs around 4 pounds.
and true trash.
It looks like it weighs 2 pounds.
To figure out what percent of the garbage each category represented, we had to do some math. After calculating the percentage of each material, we made pie chart art. This pie chart art is pretty unbelievable. Of all the trash that we collected, only 14% of it is true trash. 86% of this could have been recycled.
Recycling is good and all, but we really need to work on reducing all this waste.
We took another look at the true trash we collected to see how we could reduce it.
Look, who would throw away a perfectly sharpened pencil? I can use it.
Also, a paper clip or a rubber band. We waste both of these. We just throw them away.
Looks like we can definitely reduce the weight of this true trash.
Let's go!
Hey, wouldn't it be cool if we get our whole school thinking about recycling, reducing, and reusing?
Definitely. We already recycle in one classroom. Let's start a school-wide program.
But if we recycle the school's trash, where would it go?
We made a visit to one of Birmingham's recycling centers to find out.
Oh man, this is a big place.
We met Mark, who runs the recycling center.
Recycling is
This pile right here may look like a pile of trash, but this is actually recyclables from the city of Birmingham. Aluminum is one of our resources that can be recycled indefinitely.
Look how many there are.
I know. Look at all these different colors of all the cans. There's probably hundreds and thousands of these. This shows what recycling can do. It's a lot of cardboard. How many times can paper be recycled?
7 times before the fibers get weak, where they won't make a good piece of paper anymore.
Mark told us the 3 most important things to remember when starting a recycling program.
Reduce, reuse, and recycle. How about that?